Hello everybody, welcome back to Bizarre Repairs and Reviews. We have another Tesla accessory product, and these are one of those products that you didn't know you needed until you bought it. And then you go, I think I needed that all along. This is the under screen organizer, and you also have top storage compartment as well. This thing is magnetized, which I'll show you in just a second. So it just clips right over the top. This goes right underneath your screen, and the top section here secures it. You have storage on the top, storage here on the bottom. Put anything in here, phones, AirPads, wallet, keys, anything you need. And this actually stays hidden underneath the screen as well. You can just pull down on that lever and it will come down, and you can flip it back up so it stays hidden. Let's get this installed. Enough talking. This just takes a second to install, so let's go ahead and show you that, and then I'll show you what it looks like with my devices there. Start the installation. You're just going to take this top piece here and slide it right there. It's going to go. Don't mind all my cool little stickies. It's going to stay right there. You're going to see it fall right into its place. Then you will grab the bottom portion here and just snap it right into place like so. And you will have behind the screen storage and under the screen storage. That looks pretty neat if you ask me. As you can see, it fits very nicely right there. And look at that. Okay, looks like it's snapped in place, and I'm telling you, this thing is not going anywhere. It has a really locked in, snug fit. Look at this. Those are some really strong magnets. You can still flip this section up here, but these magnets are locked in place. This is what it looks like installed. You can throw your phone right there. No problem. Have it sideways. No problem at all. It's got a little rubber mat in there, so it keeps everything nice. You can throw anything you need in there. Like I said, keys, wallet, no problem. All right, now we're just going to test the open close functionality again, just to make sure it does not detach from its magnets. We're going to throw a phone in there sideways, closes perfectly fine. Now I'm going to charge my phone, turn it sideways, and see if it closes all the way, which it does, and stays locked inside there perfectly fine. And the front storage, again, behind the screen can be used for things like tissue. It actually comes with this tissue box, which is so nice, and it fits nice and snug. If you own a Tesla or know someone that owns a Tesla and they do not have this product, I promise you, you should get them this for the holidays. It's the under screen storage organizer for Tesla. Thanks so much for watching.